Text function lets you change the appearance of a number by applying formatting to it. It comes in really handy when you want to display numbers in a more readable format, and we are going to use it vastly to convert our dates in different formats. Text function basically takes two parameters. The first one is the value that we want to format, and the second one is the format code we want to apply. Let's notice some of the common examples that are used often. You can also play around a little with the format codes to get a better hang of it. Here we are converting a value into currency with a thousand separator and two decimal digits. For that, we specify the value which we want to convert as our first parameter, and then we specify the format. Since we want it to be in dollars, we start with that. Then we specify the thousand separator, and finally the two digits after decimal. You don't have to remember most of the formats. You can always Google them, but there are a few date formats that we use often. For example, here we are getting the month name from a date by using the 3M format. If we want the full month name, we can use 4M's instead of 3. We can use 4Ds to get the day of the week, and if we want to display our date in a particular format, text function can help us do that. Let's look at a practical example here. We have some text and a date, and we want to concatenate this using the concat function. When we do that, Excel converts our date into a number which is almost impossible to understand. Text function comes in really handy in such situations. We can use the text function here. Now it will make our concatenated text much more readable. You want to display the time in a specific format? Text function can help you do that. Here we converted this date time into just time using our text function. You want to convert a text into percentage? Text function can help you do that. Select the value which you want to convert into percentage, and then select 0.0%, and the value will get converted into percentage. It can help us do a bunch of cool stuff. I will highly recommend that you play around with the formats. We will also use them a little more often when we deal with our reports and dashboard in our future course.